Hi everybody and welcome back to Relax My Dog. Today me and Milo here are going to be talking about how to look after your dog after surgery. Now many dogs have to go into surgery for many different reasons and you guys might want to learn a little bit on how you can care for them when they have come home. Now it's obvious that every single post-operative care that you have to give your dog is not a standard procedure. Every single dog is different and will require different needs, so we're going to be giving sort of an overall on what you should be doing for your dog and how you might have to care for them. Now before we begin, definitely do go down below to the comments and let me know, has your dog ever gone in for any surgeries? We'd absolutely love to hear what you guys have to say at Relax My Dog, so definitely do let us know down below in the comments. Now post-operative care will depend on your dog, their age, their condition and also what type of surgery they have gone in for. So it's very important to not take this video as a step-by-step guide on what you should do with your pet. It's definitely something to look at as an overall basis and to think about whether that specific one is important for your dog. Now it's very, very important to know as well that your dog will be extremely sleepy about 12 to 24 hours after their surgery. So definitely don't think they're going to be their playful self, because they really are not. But definitely do keep an eye on them during this time, because like I say, they will be sleepy, they may not want to eat, they may not be allowed to eat. So this is also something to consider, that don't be worried straight after their surgery. They will not be their usual self and you shouldn't really expect them to be. I'm sure if you were to go in for surgery, you wouldn't be yourself 12 to 24 hours after. So definitely do take that into account. Now our first top tip is to definitely go and ask your vet any specifics that you need to be performing for your dog. Obviously they'll know what specific surgery your dog has had and what aftercare they require. So that is definitely a first top tip. Go over to your vet, give them a call, ask them what requirements they need to have. They might need medication, etc. So definitely do give them a call, or they probably will speak to you after their dog's surgery anyway. Now our second top tip is that confinement is important. You want your dog to do as little walking as possible. Obviously if they start to walk, they may start to stretch their wounds, meaning that they could break the stitching and therefore the recovery will be a lot longer. So confinement is important. Even though at this time you want to hug your dog and be very, very close to them, it kind of is important for you not to be, to a point, because you don't want any sort of accidents to happen. Number 3 is all about home remedies. I'm sure you guys know that once you do take your dog into surgery, you are given a lot of medication to give your dog after surgery, and also you might be able to find there are a lot of home remedies to do online as well. It's very important to make sure you are researching the remedies, ask the vets if you should be doing them for your pet, and to just generally make sure that there's nothing harmful for your dog. Your dog might have allergies to certain remedies, etc. So definitely do consult your vet at any given point. Number 4 is to check your dog's incision. This again is very, very sort of hit and miss, because some vets will tell you not to go near it. However, some vets will tell you to check it on a regular basis. If you are meant to check it on a regular basis, make sure you're washing your hands every single time you're going near that area, because obviously at this time it's very, very easy for your dog to catch any certain infections. So this is also very, very important that you wash your hands and you stay extra clean around that area. Number 5 is to comfort your pet. Obviously within the first few days, definitely do let them have that confinement experience, but also after that time make sure you're comforting them, make sure you're getting them their favourite treats, making them their favourite meal, buying them their new toy, just basically comforting your pet. I'm sure at this time your pet may hate you a little bit, because I'm sure Milo looks like he hates me right now, but your pet might be hating you at that moment because they think it's all your fault and you've done that to them. So definitely do comfort them and make them feel a little bit better. But that is it for this week's video. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below letting me know what different surgeries, like I say, your pet has been in for, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and you would like to. Also don't forget we have our gorgeous little t-shirt giveaway. All you need to do to win your very own Relax My Dog t-shirt is pop over to our Instagram page, post a picture of you and your dog, or just your dog on their own. The funnier the better, and also don't forget to tag us at Relax My Dog, and you've therefore entered our giveaway. And thanks so much for watching, and me and Milo will see you next week for next week's video. Bye!